Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Hanson here at EuroMed Clinic, and I want to talk to you about aesthetics and where the fashion is going, where the trend is going. Thankfully, the natural look is coming back in. Nobody internationally is having these big lips, big cheeks, looking fake. You know, that's in the past. What counts now is just looking better. And I always tell patients you can either look younger or better. So chasing after every wrinkle is really not a good approach. Overfilling areas is not a good approach. We want natural, healthy looking skin, and we want natural, healthy looking volume replacement where it needs it. So please come in and see me. We can do a free aesthetic consultation, and we can talk about restoring you and regenerating you in a natural way.